On this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook code not received in less than 2 minutes. So all what you have to do, guys, is don't open Facebook, just go to the settings on your phone right here and then go to apps. You go to apps right here. Wait a few seconds on this page until it starts loading the apps that you have on your phone. Scroll down until you find Facebook. And after you find Facebook, now all what you have to do here is very simple and easy. Just click here on the force stop option and then go to notifications management and then disable this option and enable it like this, and then go back, go to storage, click on clear data, and then restart your phone and reopen Facebook, and congratulations, the problem is solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.